How to change your birthday on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, log into your account, then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your name, which is at the top. After you click on your name, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Edit Profile, which is beside Add to Story and three dots. Click on Edit Profile and then scroll down in here. Scroll down till you find Add Details. As you can see, edit your About info. Click on that. In here, scroll down and you'll find your birth date. Beside your birth date, you'll find pencil-like option. Click on it. After you click on it, before you could simply edit your birthday from here. Now you need to click on Edit in Account Center. And it will lead you to your birthday. Click on it and then change it. After you have set, click on Set at the bottom. After it's set, simply open Facebook again by clicking on Save at the bottom. Click on Confirm and then open Facebook again. You'll be able to see your new birthday. This is how to change your birthday on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for joining.